Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically claim codes on Disney Dreamlight Valley. Select escape on your keyboard and select the settings icon, select help, and paste the redemption code here. Then you're going to select claim. I already claimed this, I think. And it's going to appear in your mailbox. So let me just walk here. And it's going to be here. So select check. Actually, I haven't claimed this one, and I'm going to select claim, and it's going to be in my inventory. So press I here, or just try the celebration backpack. Let's see, where is it? Am I okay? Seriously, what's wrong with me? That is it. Why can I not find backpacks? Am I like okay? Accessories? No. Is it hidden? Nope. Well, it's somewhere in there. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.